All right, hello. We are back for another video in the booth. I am on Fiverr. We're going to make $75 in just a few minutes. I'm blocking out exactly the person I'm working with, but we're going to go ahead and dive down here so that you can see what I'm doing. And, I get this a lot, and I think this is important to note real quick about your voiceover and what you're doing. Hold on, I want to make sure that, I'm being read. So basically, here's the directions that I was given, and they basically say something similar to mornings aren't for everyone. That's my first spot on my demo. Like I always say, if you are not getting feedback from your demo, like people are purchasing your stuff, purchasing voiceovers from you, and recognizing your demo, then, I think something's wrong. You know what I mean? I mean, we need to look at your demo and see if there's something we can do to, reach more people with them thinking that you're the perfect fit. And it's got to be based on your spots on your demo. The majority of the work I get, they always mention the first spot on my demo. And that's something to think about. You know what I mean? If you are getting work or not getting work, are people mentioning your demo? Like, now listen, not everybody says, hey, you know what I mean? This is why, I'm working with you. But a lot of times, honestly, this is the majority of the reason I get work is because of my demo, the spots, the specific spots in my demo, and they mention them. Now, I also have something down here, okay, which I always ask, what made you choose to buy from me? They said, you sound perfect. We might look at upgrading for commercial rights for the website usage to full broadcast rights. Lights after the video is approved. I look forward to working with you. So, I always try to also ask, why did you work from me? You know what I mean? Why did you choose me? I think that's a very valid thing. But let's go ahead and dive into this. It's a very short script. And they want the mornings aren't for everyone. Now, that one is a very kind of matter-of-fact, early morning out, it goes something like, mornings aren't for everyone. Coffee's on, a brisk sunrise and a cool morning. Black top and green as far as the eye can see. It's where I belong. It's home. Ford, where you belong. That's that one. So let's dive right in and using that and do this. Has life got you feeling a bit gray? We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to be... I'm going to stop. I'm going to use the method in which I do, which is my modified punch and roll. So I'm just going to go back here. We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to lose its color. We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to lose its color. Youth hair is a quick and easy solution to bring back your natural hair color. Just apply. Okay, I'm going to stop. Go back. Just apply. Just apply like a normal hair styling product, and your hair will gradually return to its original color, without the full and shock of using messy hair dye stain. All right, let's see. Without the full and shock of using messy hair dyes or stains, bring some color back into the picture with youth hair. Okay, so that's kind of one. I'm going to go ahead and do it again, see if I can do it all the way through without stopping. Has life got you feeling a bit gray? We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to lose its color. Youth hair is a quick and easy solution to bring back your natural hair color. Just apply like a normal hair styling product, and your hair will gradually return to its original color, without the full and shock of using messy hair dyes or stains. Bring some color back into the picture with youth hair. Okay, so I was able to get through that one without stopping, and I think that sounds good. Now, I'm going to do one more. Now, this is youth hair. I get it. It's probably for people like me who don't have hair, but it also talking about color, so it could be for coloring. So I'm going to do one, I don't know, maybe a little more like a little less, that rugged, maybe something more, little bit more conversational. Here we go. Has life got you feeling a bit gray? We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to lose its color. Youth hair is a quick and easy solution to bring back your natural hair color. Just apply like a normal hair styling product, and your hair will gradually return to its original color, without the full and shock of using messy hair dyes or stains. Bring some color back into the picture with youth hair. All right, I actually like that one just because I felt like that was a little bit more dynamic. I still had kind of a gruff like they were looking for, but hopefully that's a little bit more, up their alley. Now, they asked for that mornings aren't for everyone. That's still a more showy type. That's not more like, has life got you feeling a bit gray? We're here to tell you that life doesn't have to lose its color. Youth hair is a quick and easy solution to bring back your natural hair color. Just apply like a normal hairstyling product, and your hair will gradually return to its original color, without the full and shock of using messy hair dyes or stains. Bring some color back into the picture with youth hair. So that delivery I just gave you, that was more of a, just a normal kind of delivery, like if they wanted a person delivering, not more of a showy type, presentational type delivery, which I thought is what they were asking for. So we'll see if that's what, this is what they want. But basically at this point, what you didn't see is I just hit my B button, right, which is my effects rack, which basically is this right here. I do mouth declick, voice to noise, dynamics processing, and then a hard limiter. I'm going to go ahead and click out of that, though, because I've already done it. And then what I do is I kind of go back through here. And because I like this styling, I'll go ahead here and I'll use this marquee tool to reduce the volume. I'll go ahead and grab a little bit. I'll copy it, come through here. And basically, I'm just going to go in here and paste some of this stuff or lower the volume in some of these places where there's breaths. I don't think there needs to be breaths in this one, just because it's a short commercial, and I think, that won't go as well. So I'm just literally going here, pasting some room tone in, and yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and divide that because I'm going to pull that down because that's another one, I believe. So it's real simple to come in here, and then I'll listen back to it. The problem is you guys can't hear it because of that loop thing I was telling you about, which I've got to figure out. I got to figure out how to fix that. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete some of that because that added some more to it. And I'm not actually trying to, that brought a little bit down, but I'm not trying to make too much changes to my actual spacing because I kind of liked it. So I'm going to go ahead and listen back.
Has life got you feeling a bit gray?
See, I don't think you guys can hear that. So I'm trying to think. Yeah, I don't think you guys can hear that. But anyways,
we're here to tell you that life doesn't
it sounds good.
Youth hair is a quick and easy solution.
Now here's something too I want to show you. I heard
its color. Youth have to lose its color. Youth hair is a
No, I heard a click, but I didn't. All right, you guys. So this is basically it. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say youth hair. There we go. I'm going to go down. ATP 3321. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go and upload it here, and I'm done. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and please take a moment to like and subscribe. Also, if you're interested, come and join a VO's Journey Elite. We meet tonight, actually, at 5 p.m. Eastern. There'll be a link below, and we meet on Saturdays where we help you grow your business. We've got over 100 members now in the group. It's fantastic. We've got a private Facebook group and everything, and the whole goal is to help you grow your business through... We help with voice acting, with workflow, with marketing, everything from Fiverr and beyond. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.